course is a foundation degree in ICT. It covers web design, spreadsheets, word processing and a variety of other modules. We have students who first come to us who are quite nervous, they're not sure what to expect. But we encourage anybody and everybody to come into the college because it's such a vibrant, lovely learning environment that'll give you confidence and skills and self-esteem that you can actually achieve things that you didn't think possible before.
I've always wanted to do a higher education ICT course. I haven't done any studying since I was about 17, so it was a bit nervy. I was worried that I'd be in a class full of youngsters, which in all fairness, some of them were youngsters, but it was a great crowd anyway, so I actually disappeared within a week or so. I felt really confident and I felt as if I was able to do the work and everything along with the youngsters, but no, a few weeks and my nerves went.
I left school with no GCSEs whatsoever. I never in a million years ever thought I would be doing a degree. Extremely proud of myself. I really enjoyed web design. I enjoyed using Flash and how it worked. It felt more like you had a hobby than actually coming in to do work, you know. I really enjoyed that. I definitely think it's something that you've got to do for yourself. It's made me so much better organiser. I feel a lot more professional in some aspects of things I do. Just generally give me more confidence.
I think studying at Nangaru is a fantastic opportunity. We are a college for the community. It's a pleasure to walk through the doors every morning because it's so bright and clean and such a nice atmosphere with the students of all ages in the college. We found that this course is ideally written and suited for employers. This is what employers want, the skills that they want within the workplace. All the employers that we've been involved with to date have been highly supportive of all the students. There are lots and lots of avenues to be gained from doing the course. It's a nice broad foundation to begin gaining skills within the ICT sector.
I think it's a great experience. I would definitely do a franchise uni course.
Go for it. Just go for it.